Hi, so I decided to buy a chest harness so I can film my videos with my hands free. So basically this is the harness that you wear, and it comes with these bits. You can also get one where it comes with a head mount. I think I've already got one for when I go riding. I've got one on my riding hat, but I don't have a chest mount. So get that, this little bit, you put that little bit in there, and screwed that on. La, 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 la. There you go. Then that bit goes, screws on there. I believe, yep. And just squeeze, it's really tight, so goes up. There we go. And then I'm going to swivel this round. And then obviously you put your camera there, and you adjust that, making it taller, making it smaller, so it could be landscape or portrait. Okay, I hope you liked this video. I'll try and put a link to this in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.